My hope today is to give you a quick tutorial on how to submit your MAC survey. You should have all received an email today that says, from No Reply, that says MAC survey is today. Open that up, click here to access your survey. You'll start typing your district, which is Lincoln County, put in your email. It'll send you another No Reply. Open that one up, and it will take you right to the MAC survey. Here, first thing it'll ask you is, are you a licensed medical provider? You'll know if you are. You'll put in your work hours, your contracted time only. My day begins at 7:30, I end at 4. Everyone will put in an unpaid lunch. Mine's at 11:30 till noon. I'm going to add a row. I'm going to go to my quick claims cheat sheet. I see that I need to review the slides from the PowerPoint during the training. It'll take me the better part of 15 minutes to look at that. I'm going to copy the documentation. I started that at 8 o'clock. That was a C1.4. I'm going to paste my documentation there. I add a row, and I can continue doing this and submit any claims I have. You can use this easy to use quick claims cheat sheet. After I've done all of the claims that I have at the end of the day, I'm going to select remaining time I have left. It'll give you everything you don't have claims for. I'm going to put in an A. They're just my regular things. I'll go down here. This will give you a warning if you don't have proper documentation. And if you do, go ahead and push the submit button and you're done.